Hey SMA-Trendz fans, welcome back. As you know, Ugadi festival is coming up, so we decided to make a special treat. We're making Sooji Poli. They're delicious, healthy, and super yummy. We're going to start by adding 1 cup of wheat flour into a nice big bowl. So we have lots of room to mix it around. Then we're going to add 1 cup of maida. They really look similar, especially the maida. Looks a lot like powdery snow. Now we're going to combine them both. They look exactly the same though. Then you're going to add 1 cup of water constantly and turn it into dough. Soft, fluffy dough. Well, not fluffy, but soft and squishy. Now, I had these sweet bolelu for breakfast and they were absolutely delicious. You have to try them. Now, as you can see, it's in soft dough. So you're going to spread some oil and let it rest for 30 minutes or half an hour. Now, in a big pan, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee. We chose ghee because it's sweet and healthy. Well, healthier than oil. And now we're going to add 1 cup of Sooji rava. This is the sweetness that's going to be the stuffing for our sweet. That was a little big. We're going to lightly roast it nicely. Make sure not to burn it. And once it's ready, you'll smell a delicious aroma. And now it's ready. So you're just going to remove it from the heat. Now, in another pan, you're going to add 2 cups of water. It doesn't matter what kind of water it is, like warm water, cold water, but just water. We're going with warm water. Now, we added a little bit of saffron. It's to give some color and a little extra flavor. We add it in biryani and it's super good. Well, not by itself. It just tastes like string by itself. But it always adds some extra flavor to any recipe. Now you're going to add the lightly roasted Sooji rava and just turn it into that. Some crumbly rava. But done. Now we're going to add the sweetness. 1 cup of sugar. Now, I don't know if we're supposed to add too much, a little extra. I don't think so, because that's the same amount of Sooji rava we added. So let's play it safe and add the same amount. Now, it looks a little sticky, like honey, at first, but at the end, it looks just like it did before. You're going to add ½ teaspoon of cardamom powder, again, just for a little extra flavor. It never hurts anyone. It's just super delicious, especially for me. I love them. Now it's just like before, just stretchy, kind of like a little jelly. Now we're going to take a small amount of the dough we made earlier. We're just going to roll it out, but in a small circle, not a big one. Just a small one. Now we're going to take the same amount of the sweet Sooji rava. The same amount. And kind of make dumplings. We're just going to wrap them up like blankets covering a soft, fluffy ball of dough. Now, make sure to remove the extra dough. You don't want that. And then, done. Now, you're going to roll it out. And this time, you're going to roll it out nice and big. So you have lots to eat. Yum, yum. So just roll it out vertically, horizontally, until you get the perfect circle. Make sure to roll it evenly. It doesn't have to be the perfect circle, just as long as it's in the shape of a circle. And it's delicious. And there it is. It's ready. And it's really nice and big. And make sure to make it thin. You don't want it thick, or else it's not going to cook well. Nice and thin, but not too thin. Just right. Just the right amount of thinness. Now you're going to put it in a pan and let it roast. At first, you won't see anything. It's gonna cook just like normal chapati, which we made in one of our other videos. But after you apply ghee or oil on both sides, you're gonna start to see it rise up. Just like that. Just like puri. As you can see, it's really rising up. Like cake in an oven. It's just like puri, except instead of a pot of oil, it's in a pan. So make sure to spread oil on both sides and roast it on both sides as well. And then you get this sweet sensation. Just look at them. They look so good. And because we wrapped up the suji rava and then rolled it out, it's come out evenly. So, it's just right. Make sure to enjoy this delicious treat, enjoy the holidays with your family, and always be happy. Happy Ugadi! Bye! Thanks for watching!